Hey guys, it's Mike Daviab, and it's been long since I was gone due to the virus, to the lockdown, so I wasn't been able to make more things. But today's video, we'll be talking about my sister's birthday. At least it was just on May 9, and today is May 22. It's far. So the pending gift has already arrived. So we'll be unboxing it, and I'll let her unbox that gift because it's hers. So let's dig into that already. It's from Shopee. Sophia, let's unbox that thing.
Thing.
It's there.
What?
It's from Shopee.
What's this so weird?
Okay, open it.
These nuts. Thing like
When JNT Express make things so hard to open. Something's not right. What's that? I hope that fits.
No, I just love big things. I
Expectations versus reality.
Wait, this is expectations versus. Oh, it's not. Where is it?
Okay, open it. It's small.
Where? I know, but there's letter S. Epic game.
Ooh.
Yes,
touch.
it's big. Yes.
Oh, nice.
I
Glove.
love big.
UA.
It smells.
And you're watching.
Haiku. Wait, I can't wear this here because it's so hot.
But can you wear it now?
Get him.
Okay, the cloth is nice. It's warm and thick. Thick. It's nice. Ato ba? Okay, look at here. Okay, that's nice. Why not just put those, cover those like that?
It's so good. Like, so good that my.
So this thing in Shopee costs 598 pesos. That depends on the size, I guess. This is around 500 to 700 plus shipping since we're on lockdown. So I cannot pay this item with COD plus free shipping because it's a non-essential item because we're on lockdown. So I have to pay the full 100 peso JNT Express shipping fee. So 698 all in all, but this one it cost 598. This is small, so this is unisex, both male and female. So it looks good on you. Right, okay,
The principal.
turn, put this on.
Yay. Get him.
Get new, that's nice. Okay, side, front. Okay guys, that was the birthday
Birthday.
I'm sorry.
Birthday present.
Okay guys, that was the birthday present that my sister requested for us to buy on Shopee. It took around 2 weeks to arrive. 2 weeks, right? May 9. 12. It took 2 weeks to arrive. But it's all worth it. It looks good. It's high quality material. It fits on her. It's
hot.
Yeah, it's hot. We're not turning on our electric fan because it's going to make this weird flashes from the light and it's going to ruin the video. So I'm going to provide, for those who are interested on this hoodie, I'll provide a link down below from Shopee so that every one of you can get the cheapest hoodie. See? So cool, right? I'm planning to go on a Hegao version.
No, the male one.
I think I'll go both so that it's should I go for colored or the black and white or the manga version is?
Colored.
I don't think colored is colored is good, but I think the black and white version because there's more people to it. I'll go with the Ahagao. So let's stay tuned once this lockdown is over and I can work back and earn some money. I'll continue making more videos. And thank you and bye bye.
Ah.